Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, transmission, 6-speed automatic, wheels, 4/18 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65R 1809 off-road, white outline letter, license plate bracket, front and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.